Almost there. There's a lot of mosquitoes. A lot of mosquitoes. Makes sense. There's water, trees, sun, perfect conditions for mosquitoes to thrive. Okay. Seems to be getting steeper. Let's take some pictures. Okay, so I'm not sure what the path is. It's going down here. I guess the waterfall is there. I don't know if I can cross this. The sound of this water makes me want to pee though. Okay, well, let's see, I guess. I mean, there's no other path, so I guess I need to go here. Let's figure it out. Okay, well, in theory, I could take off my shoes and cross this river, which I think would actually be kind of nice also for my feet. I can't really bring a towel or something though, so I'm gonna see if there's a way to go up there. I see a house up there. I don't know if you can see it. Let's see if there's another path. To get closer to the waterfall. I mean, from here it's already nice. Let's see, let's check it out. Oh dude, I don't even know how I missed out on this. But look, there are actually stairs going up. I didn't even see it, honestly. I was so focused, I guess, on, I don't know, getting here. I completely missed this because we just came through here. So all I had to do is go this way, and for whatever reason I went that way. I mean, it was cool anyways. But yeah, this makes so much more sense. Let's go figure it out. Okay, so I'm at the top. Well, I don't know if it's the top, but, and I mean, wow, yeah. This was definitely the way. Oh, you can get super close. I'm following these people. Honestly, if I hadn't seen these people, I don't even know if I would have seen this path. I mean, I guess eventually, because I was looking out for it now, but yeah. Okay, let's get closer. Okay, peeps, I had to do this. Oh, I cannot tell you how good this feels in my feet. Wow! I'm sitting here at the waterfall. Oh, this is so awesome. My shoes are here. And my banana socks. Ah. Oh man, this feels so good on my feet. Woo! Be happy! It's freezing cold, the water. Freezing cold. I don't know how I'm gonna dry my feet, but I'll figure it out. I also don't really know how I'm gonna get back. But yeah, my backpack is there. Oh man, I think this is what my feet needed. Cold water. Oh. Awesome. Okay, this was totally awesome. I feel fully reloaded. I'm so happy. I put my feet in the water. I met this super nice family. They just went back up, like a boy and, his parents, I guess. Super cute. He also took a nice picture of me, so I'm happy. I took a nice picture of them. Very nice. It was really cute. The woman was like here praying along the river. Yeah, I'm so happy I came here. This is also Nikko. This is much better than all the touristy stuff. Well, it's different. So I'm really happy I did this. Let's head back to town. This was really nice. I'm so happy I came here. I really feel reloaded. I felt a bit low energy. This is exactly what I needed in my life. So yeah, let's head back down. Looks like there's some sort of dam here. Not some sort, I think that's exactly what it is. Interesting. Oh, let me zoom in. I don't think you can see it. I don't know if you can see it if I zoom in, but kinda, I guess. I think that's regulating the water. Okay, well, let's head back down. Yeah, so there definitely looks like they're planting new trees there. So this is definitely all planted and set up for production of wood, I guess. I mean, there's a lot of houses here. I really wonder what all of this is. If people live here or if these are like rental units. I mean, further down, that is like a resort kind of thing. I don't know if this is also it though, but I don't know. Doesn't seem to be anyone here though. Some of the houses you see cars, but yeah, I don't know. It would be super peaceful to live here though. I think I'd like that. Oh well. On our way down, this is definitely a walk in the park. Easy. I ran a bit the first part because that was a bit more steep, so I ran down there. Now I'm just strolling. Look, like here is a car. I love these cars. I love cars in Japan too. I don't know. It's just so cute. So I guess there's people living here. Let's see, gas things there. It's cool, and then occasionally there's a sakura tree. Like there in the back, there's some really nice houses. Really pretty. Mountains in the back. That's where we came from. Okay. I have some food again. I think I deserve that when I'm back down. Let's find a nice cafe again. I'm in the mood for nice cafes today. I haven't really done that so far. I think today is a good day for it. Sakura! Yeah, this is like I really like this. I took a picture on the way up. It's like they created kind of like a, I don't know if it's something to like pray or something from a rock. I really like it. I really like how nature, yeah, they do like the praying and the religious kind of things, spiritual things in nature. That's how it should be. For me, that's just what it is. This is, oh man, this is one of my favorite houses that I saw. I don't think that is real wood though. I think that is imitation wood. But having said that, it's still very pretty. And this is definitely easier to maintain. It's a very nice place. Very nice place. This is my favorite one that I saw so far. The place looks huge as well. Okay, well, I don't know if you're bored of my sightseeing down already, but I'll give you a break. Talk to you later. Oh yeah, we're back at the bus. The Snow White Snow White bus. That's really cool. Laters. Made it back into town. Ooh, look at that. Sakura Mountains. I'm searching for Nikko Cafe. Let's see. Seems to be a bit inside. I met a really nice girl when I came down from the waterfall, and she was looking like, "Is that the waterfall?" I was like, "Yeah, go for it. It's worth it." She's from Germany, traveling by herself for a year, I think, or something she said. So yeah, you go, girl. I love women traveling by themselves. Just do it. Don't let anybody fool you and scare you into whatever nonsense they're telling you. Just do it. So yeah, it was cool meeting her. Okay, I think it might be the street. I hope it's this place because this place looks very cute. Let's see. Drip coffee. This place looks really cute. Is this Nikko Cafe? Look at my nuts. I don't see anything else around here. But this is not the one. Oh, too bad. I like it. Oh, I can still come back. Let's see what Nikko Cafe looks like. Just because, I mean, I'm in Nikko, so I guess I have to try the Nikko Cafe. So I guess it should be somewhere on the left side. I think this is the place. Yep. Nikko Coffee. I don't drink coffee, but I'm sure they have tea as well. Hope it's open. Kind of looks closed. Oh no, there's people inside. Nikko Coffee. Oh, it looks cute. Okay, let's go in and ask for the bathroom first because Lord knows I gotta pee. Okay, so I just got here and it's full. That makes me sad. It smells really good. It looks really nice. But it's full. So I guess she pointed me here that I can, when full, please make a reservation at this terminal. Let's see how long I'll have to wait. Okay, so I guess I'm the only one waiting. I'm not sure how long this is going to take. I don't really feel like waiting, to be honest. You know how I feel about waiting. I don't really like waiting. So, let's see. Let's see. Look at this. Okay, so I got in pretty quickly. Got 2 menus I already ordered because I'm too hungry. So this one, I was like, oh, this looks nice. Let's look at the menu. So this is all in Japanese. And she came like, yeah, English. I was like, ah, that's why she put mine. So this one was in English. So let me show you in English what I ordered. They have a lot of coffee, obviously. But I don't drink coffee. But I do tea, and I'm gonna try Marco Polo. No clue what it is. Let's see. And well, the cakes look delicious as well. But since I already had sweets this morning and I'm really hungry, actually, I decided to try this, the black curry with rice, stewed for 3 days, seasoned with house roasted spices. So that sounds good. Let's give that a try. So yeah, that's what I'm having for lunch. So I made it to Nikko's Cafe. My patience had been put to the test, but I survived. The wait was not that long in the end, so it was okay. I want to read some Japanese magazines. I can as well. Oh my gosh, this looks and smells so good. And I got like a little sweater for my tea pot. Okay, I'm gonna attack. Let's go. As you can see, this was delicious. If I wasn't in a restaurant, I would lick the plate. I don't know what was in that sauce, but it was really, really good. It was a bit spicy too, but I don't know, it was really, really good. And it was nice to have some veggies as well. Still finishing my tea, which is indeed, I cannot really figure out what kind of tea it is. It smells really sweet and nice. So yeah, let's finish the tea and then get back walking. Okay, so I got to another temple. I decided to go up the temples quickly because they close at 4, which is almost in 20 minutes. So I'm not entering the temples because I was not really planning on entering the temples anyways, because I've been to so many already. But it is pretty. It is nice. It is nice. Now I'm gonna, the one I might enter, let's see how it is when I get there. It's the pagoda. It's like a 5-story pagoda that I am heading towards now. It's nice though, they have like cherry blossoms and stuff. It is impressive. So many temples. So many. Okay, let's take a few pictures here and then move on. It is a pretty impressive area. Trees. You can hear the birds. It's very nice. Here you have, not sure. But it's pretty. Oh, I see it. I see it. This one I really wanted to see. I like these pagodas, the high ones. Back in Sendai I couldn't find the way to get in. So let's go in. But anyways, where we come for? Pagoda. 5-story. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's take some pictures. Look at this. Very nice. Pretty. Is there fish in the pond as well? There are big fish in the pond like this. I don't know if they were feeding them here, they're all here. Okay, those were all the temples. Beautiful Sakura. Well, since I'm kind of early, I guess I'm gonna try to take a train earlier. I mean, everything is closed here now, so I'm just gonna head back. I think it should be about a 30-minute walk from here to get back to the hostel. Get my bag and see if I can get on the 5:15 or like 5:19 or something train. I mean, then I'm in Tokyo 1 hour earlier. I can enjoy my capsule 1 hour longer. Look at all that sakura. Very pretty, very pretty. Yep. I think that's what I'm gonna try to do. I got a feeling that that train is going to be very full. But yeah, I didn't book a seat for that one, so let's see if I can still get a seat. Because I would really like to sit. Yeah, 2.5 hours standing is not really an option. Let's see. Heading back. I really feel like this town is only open between 10 and 4. It's like when in the morning everything was closed. Now everything is closed as well. A few places are open, like this one was also open in the morning. But all the rest closed. So even if I wanted to get like one of those rice cake sticks, wasn't possible. It was closed. So yeah, well, early town. So yeah, let's just get an earlier train back and then have some more time to relax, which is also not a bad idea. I think I got this tray as well. Okie dokie, almost there. Look at this. Saw this car across the street wrapped up this morning. I guess they're preparing it now for something. Looks nice. Okay, got all my bags. On my way to the bus station. Train station. JR train station, that is, because there are actually 2 train stations here. Let's see if I can get me a window seat on this train to Tokyo. I have a feeling, oh my gosh, these mountains. I got a feel, I don't know if you can see it because I don't see my screen, but I need to take a picture later. Okay, so I got my tickets. I couldn't do it myself on the machine because I already bought the next train ticket, so I had to wait for someone to help me, and it took forever. Anyways, the train is really full. I already saw it on the machine, so I have a middle seat, which I don't like, but yeah, well, it's fine. At least I'll get to Tokyo at 7:15, so I'll be in my hostel at 7:30-ish, 7:45 the latest, which is good.